Welcome to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, global markets reporter at Nasdaq. Joining me is John Phillips, co-founder of PredictIt, the stock market for politics. John, it's great to see you as always. Welcome back to Trade Talks.
It's good to see you, Jill.
All right, and this time we are taking it local. We're going to take a look at what's happening with Governor Andrew Cuomo in New York and what traders on PredictIt are thinking about his tenure.
Yes. So everybody's interested in what's going to happen with Cuomo, and it used to be a question of, when, and now it seems the traders are wondering if he's going to resign.
And John, it's so interesting, the change of fortune in just less than 12 months. If we would have been talking about this a year ago, I have a feeling we might have been talking about Cuomo's odds for the presidency, because he really was the darling in terms of the COVID-19 response. It really is remarkable how things have changed literally overnight.
It is actually, and a year is a lifetime in politics, right? You think about where Biden was in January of 2020, which was basically written off, and where we are now. So yes, but even the odds on Cuomo being in office on May 1st, or by the end of the year, that is shifting by the minute right now. So every piece of information that floods in, that comes in, leaks into the market, or is shoved into the market by supporters or detractors or people who are just fascinated by this roller coaster. It's affecting the prices. For instance, on will Cuomo be governor on May 1st? That's dropped 15 cents just now. So it's down to 32 cents, and it's going to change again and again. So it's fascinating.
Yeah, 15 cents sounds like quite a bit of a move for the predicted traders. We typically, even when we were talking about different scenarios with Trump, we never saw that kind of happen.
That's right. I mean, the price on Cuomo to be, to resign by May 1st has fluctuated from 65 cents to 21 cents since we put the market up. And there's heavy volume on this. It's going to exceed 1 million share trades easily on the Cuomo betting market.
I mean, it sounds like we're talking about Bitcoin here. If you look at it from a percentage basis, the velocity of the move is really quite impressive.
Well, it's interesting. As you said, Jill, there are a number of different levels on this. One has to do with the resilience of a politician, a 3-term politician, but really it's more than that. It has to do with whether this reaction the general revulsion to sexual overtures in a business setting, if that's what occurred, whether that outweighs the desire to as the President Biden said, let's see what the investigation shows. So there's a due process and a fairness argument being made, but you got it all in this one, because you've got a Democratic politician, as you say, he was top of the game a year ago. And now, of course, he's fighting for his life. I wouldn't rule out him making a comeback. And if he survives these allegations, he is going to be considered quite a formidable survivor.
Yeah, this one will be interesting to watch, John. Appreciate the insight as always. Thanks for joining us on Trade Talks, and thanks for joining me. I'm Jill Malandrino, global markets reporter at Nasdaq.
Thanks, Jill.